Join me, let's learn the names of some household items and their functions. Balcony. Outdoor platform. Key card. Electronic room key. Elevator or lift. Machine to go upstairs. Staircase. Steps in a building. Bed. Furniture for sleeping. Mattress. Soft part of the bed. Pillow. Used under the head. Blanket. Keeps you warm. Bed sheet. Covers the mattress. Towel. Used after bathing. Bathrobe. Robe used after bath. Slippers. Indoor shoes. Wardrobe. Place to keep clothes. Hanger. Used for hanging clothes. Air conditioner. Makes the room cool. Fan. Blows air. Television. Device for watching programs. Remote control. Controls electronic devices. Wi-Fi. Wireless internet. Minibar. Small fridge with drinks. Refrigerator. Keeps food cold. Kettle. Used to boil water. Coffee maker. Telephone. Device for calling. Desk. Table for working. Chair. Furniture for sitting. Lamp. Gives light. Curtain. Covers the window. Window. Opening for air and light. Bathroom. Room for bathing. Shower. Used for bathing. Bathtub. Large tub for bathing. Sink. Used for washing hands. Mirror. Reflects image. Toilet. Used in bathroom. Toilet paper. Bathroom tissue. Soap. Used for washing. Shampoo. Used for washing hair. Toothbrush. Used to clean teeth. Toothpaste. Used with toothbrush. Hair dryer. Used to dry hair. Laundry service. Washing clothes service. Extra bed. Additional bed. Non-smoking room. Smoking not allowed. Smoking room. Smoking allowed. Emergency exit. Exit for emergencies. Fire extinguisher. Used to stop fire.